Hello, everyone. Welcome back. If you are new here, this is a safe space. I know what you are dealing with. I know that you have tried the exercises that have been told. Even you have followed the diets that have been told. But still, you haven't seen the positive results in your weight loss journey. My aunt had the same condition. She has tried everything that she can do, but still got zero results in her weight loss journey until she got to know about citrus bar. It's a natural daily supplement that changed her life in more positive way because it introduces the new idea of new Spanish secret. But before jumping on that, I want you to know one important thing. That is, citrus burn has been so popular around the globe that there are a lot of counterfeit products available all over the world. So, I have found the right manufacturer's link and put it right in the description so you can go there and buy for yourself. Please make sure to buy from the right source and do not buy from the third party websites. Now, with this clear in our mind, I want you to focus on citrus burn. Citrus burn is one of the best daily supplement that you can have after the age of 35 plus because it entirely focuses on thermogenic resistance. Basically, it means that when you are 35 plus, your body doesn't respond the way that you want to be. Your thermostat broken, so that's the reason you are not able to lose the fat that you want. And citrus burn is entirely focusing on that because it has several orange peel and Spanish red apple vinegar that help you burn the heat that you want to and help you lose the weight. The ingredients is not about oranges. It also has Korean red ginseng that entirely focuses on your energy level. It boosts your energy level while you are on your dieting period. It also has ceremonial great green tea that entirely focuses on the metabolism booster. It boosts your metabolism to make you more active throughout the day. Also, it also has one of my favorite thing, which is berberine. If you are dealing with sugar craving, berberine will help you to stop the cravings. That means that citrus burn is focusing on three different angles. First, burning the heat and making your body feel more energetic throughout the day. Even focusing on the metabolism. After that, it also focuses on your cravings. It will stop the sugar cravings. With that in our mind, one thing that is really great about this product that they have 180-day money back guarantee. My aunt had been consistent with that product for almost 3 to 4 weeks to see the result. And I want you the same. I want you to be consistent with that. At least try for 60 days to see the positive results. And it also has 180-day money back guarantee. So if that citrus bun didn't work out for you, you can ask for the refund. No question asked. With that, I want you guys to try the citrus bun, give it a shot, and see the positive changes. If you have any doubts or you want to share your journey with us, please comment down below. I would love to hear from you. Thank you so much for watching. Stay healthy, stay happy.